Hello. Demand forecasting is essential for production, material requirement, and capacity planning. There are many methods to do demand forecasting. To master any of these methods, you have to learn how to apply them by practice. And this is what we offer here. So watch this video to the end to learn how to use the moving average method to solve a real life problem. Here in this problem we have a sales of a company for 16 period where each period represents 1/4 of a year, starting from the first quarter of year 2020 till the fourth quarter of 2023. It is required to calculate the demand forecast from the fourth quarter of 2020 until the first quarter of 2024 using the 3/4 moving average method. Well, let us start by adding a new column here to write in the calculated forecast. The used method is the 3/4 moving average, means that to calculate the forecast for a certain quarter, we have to calculate the average or the mean value of the previous 3 quarters. So the previous 3 quarters for the fourth quarters are quarter number 3 or Q3, quarter number 2, Q2, and quarter number 1. So the forecasted demand for fourth quarter of 2022 or F 2022 Q4 equals, between brackets, the actual sales for 2020 Q3 plus actual sales of 2020 Q2 plus the actual sales of 2020 Q1, close the brackets, and divide by 3. The given values 1400 plus 2100 plus 1800, close the brackets and divide by 3. This is equal 1766.667 or approximately equal approximated to units, so it is equal 1767 units. So write this value here. For the next period, which is 2021 quarter 1, the forecasting of this period 2021 Q1, we are using the three moving average method. So this means that we will exclude the oldest period from our calculation and introduce the new one. The new one is the actual sales of 2022 Q4. So this one. So we will exclude the first one and replace it by this one. So it's equal to, between brackets, 2020 Q4 plus 2020 Q3 plus 2020 Q2. Close the brackets and divide by 3 because we need to calculate the average or the mean value. So this is equal, open bracket, 2500, and of course we use the actual sales plus 1400 plus 2100, close the brackets and divide by 3. This is equal 2000 units. Again, write this value here. The next period, forecasting of 2021 Q2 or the second period of 2021. So this is equal, as we did before, we will exclude the oldest one, which is 2020 Q2, and introduce the new one, which is 2021 quarter 1 or 2021 Q1. So it is the actual sales of 2021 Q1 plus the actual sales of 2020 Q4 plus the actual sales of 2020 Q3. Close the brackets and divide by 3. This is equal, open brackets, 1300 plus 2500 plus 1400, close the brackets and divide by 3. This is equal to 1733.333 approximated to the nearest unit, so it is equal 1733. again write this value here. So after that we will go for the remaining period to or until period of 2024 quarter 1 in the same manner. The forecasted demand for any period equal the average of the actual sales of the previous 3 months. So the values are for the third quarter of 2021, the forecasted demand is 1,767. For the fourth quarter of the same year, it is 1,333, and so on. For the last one, so I will ask you just to make sure that you understand and you know how to calculate this forecasted demand by yourself, to stop the video at this point, calculate it by yourself, then play the video again and check your answer with my answer. So hopefully you could calculate it by yourself. So let me solve it by myself and check your answer with mine. The forecasted demand for 2024 quarter 1 or first quarter equal, between brackets, the actual sales of 2023 Q4 plus 2023 Q3 plus 2023 Q2 divided by 3. This is equal 3,000 plus 1,600 plus 2,300, close the brackets and divide by 3. This is equal 2,300. So the forecasted demand for the first quarter of 2024 is 2,300 units. Hopefully you got the same answer and you can solve such a problem by yourself. Follow us to watch more video related to forecasting and different operation management topics. If you like this video, comment and share it with your colleagues and give it thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel to be notified with our new videos. Goodbye.